BASHA Hotel is a small, friendly and relaxed family-run hotel nestled in the second state of Haiti, Cap Haitien. As a hotel, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail and friendly manner. We are also proud restaurateurs and enjoy sharing our love of the local and international cuisine with our guests. We very much hope you visit us soon. Come, relax and enjoy BASHA Hotel with Stanley Legarin family. BASHA Hotel, Street 2014, number 11, Cap Haitien. Telephone number 011-509-346-17509 or 954-297-6935. BASHA Hotel has 15 spacious and comfortable furnished rooms. Prices include a traditional continental breakfast. Rates per room January to December. $65. Discounts are available for longer stays and group bookings. Our hotel service, 24 hours security service, 7 days a week shuttle service, free breakfast, free Wi-Fi, free computer access in our business center, free valet parking.